We often think of gentleness and strength as opposites, but in reality, they belong together. True strength isn't loud, rigid, or forceful. It's the quiet persistence of water flowing around a stone, shaping its path without shattering itself. It is a power that bends without breaking, that yields without surrendering. This is the essence of gentle strength, a quality that allows us to navigate the world with both a soft heart and a firm resolve. It's the courage to be kind in a world that often rewards hardness. A gentle mind remains thoughtful under pressure. Imagine a difficult moment at work, a looming deadline, a critical comment. The common reaction is to tense up, to rush, to meet harshness with more harshness. But gentle strength offers another way. It's the deliberate pause to take a breath before you respond. It's choosing your words with care, not to be weak, but to be clear and effective. It refuses unnecessary harshness, not because it is afraid of conflict, but because it understands that aggression clouds judgment and damages relationships. In disagreements, this strength allows you to listen fully, to hold space for another's perspective without losing your own. It's the ability to say, I understand, and also, this is what I need. It's setting a boundary with grace, not with a wall of anger. This approach doesn't seek to win the argument. It seeks to preserve the connection. Perhaps most importantly, gentle strength transforms how we talk to ourselves. The inner critic can be our harshest adversary. Instead of berating yourself for a mistake, a gentle mind offers compassion. It acknowledges the error, learns from it, and encourages you to try again. This isn't self-indulgence. It's the foundation of resilience. It's the quiet internal whisper that says, you are still learning. Be patient. Gentleness often reflects maturity. Like the rings of a tree, it is cultivated over time, through seasons of difficulty and ease. It is the wisdom to know which battles to fight and which to let go. It is the confidence that comes from surviving storms, not by being immovable, but by being flexible. This quality is precious, and it needs to be nurtured. It is a quiet flame in a world full of wind. So today, find a moment to practice it. Soften your voice. Breathe before you react. Offer yourself a kind word. Protect your gentleness, for it is the source of your most enduring strength.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.